Introducing the Aerosmart Mini-Size Pet Film Dryer Heating Drying DTF Curing Oven Machine. A 4 DTF oven, a mouthful to say, but it's all about keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. With this amazing contraption, you can give your pet's film a thorough drying and curing treatment like never before. Say goodbye to wet fur and hello to a shiny, well-groomed companion. And the best part? It won't break the bank. You don't need to be a millionaire to give your pet the luxury treatment they deserve. We've got you covered with an affordable price that won't make you run for the hills. So why wait? Treat your beloved pet like royalty with Aerosmart's A3 DTF oven with air purifier for a 3-size t-shirt DTF printer. Your furry friend will thank you, and maybe even repay you with some extra snuggles. Get ready to experience pet pampering at its finest. Aerosmart has got everything you need for a happy, healthy, and stylish pet, minus the hefty price tag.